Hey everybody, hope you're well. Gary Fernan here for PHOTORECEPTORCELL, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to create brushes that are words. So what I've done, we're in Photoshop and I've just created a new blank document. If we come up to our type tool, let's just pick a nice fancy colour, select whichever font you want, Journey to Thailand, and then if we just type a word like be creative, and then over here on the layers panel what we want to do now is we want to hide the background layer so we can just see the text layer. So with the text layer selected, come up to edit, come down and find define brush preset, and then we just name that brush. So let's call it be creative and select OK. From here what we want to do is file, new, just a new blank document with a white background, and we can see because we've got our brush tool selected, we've got our Be Creative brush selected, and as like all the other brushes we can increase or decrease the size of that brush, and there we go. It is as simple as that, and that is how you create brushes using words. Guys, I hope you found this useful, and I hope that you'll be able to use it in your future creative projects. Guys, take care and I shall see you soon.